Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own live wallpaper in Windows 11. And this is going to be a very interesting tutorial because whatever you imagine, you can create and you can have it right on your PC. So I promise you that you will find this really interesting. So to do that, guys, all you have to do is open up whether you have ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever it is that you have, Claude. You can use this. You want to go ahead and open up one of these AI tools. Now I'm going to use ChatGPT here, as you can see, and you just want to open up ChatGPT and go ahead and simple type something like write a prompt that you can use in whatever AI tool that you have. In this case, I'm going to say Remaker AI or Alloa AI, whichever, right? To generate live wallpapers or videos that I can use for live wallpapers after in Lively Wallpaper. I said Lively Wallpaper is that you want to use a tool such as a Lively Wallpaper, which is really cool to use. And it's one of the widely known use application that you can use on your Windows PC to set your own live wallpaper. Now I'm going to just simply hit enter right here and allow ChatGPT to give me a bunch of prompts. Now you will see that it's going to make a few prompts and have a look at this. Ocean wave, sunset, whatever. You see a ton of different options, right? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and choose one of these. Let's choose this one here. And you want to take the prompts that you get. So, and keep in mind that whatever you want the AI to create, you can just say, this is just my prompt that I give it something basic, but you can say whatever you want to create, whether you want to create something gothic, whether you want to create something futuristic or anime, whatever it is that you want to generate, just ask the AI to create it. And I promise you, it's going to go ahead and create something interesting for you. Now, you want to take that prompt and you want to head over to a tool such as Remaker AI or Alloa AI. And I'm going to show you both of them. So for example, in Alloa AI, you want to create an account, you head over there, you create an account, super easy. The cool thing is that you get some credits that you can use right away. So I'm going to paste that prompt that I got from ChatGPT and simply say create video. While this is creating a video, and as you can see, I already tested it to create something. While this is generating a video, I'm going to head back over to Remaker AI and do the same. So on the Remaker AI homepage, you will see on the left hand side or wherever that you can say text to video, and you click on that and it's going to take you to this page here where you can go ahead and put in your prompt. Keep in mind that you need to create an account, of course. When you create an account, you'll get some credits that you can use to get started. Otherwise, you have to pay for credit. And let me go ahead and show you. If I go pricing, you can see that you can get started with some credits. You can purchase the cheapest credits as you wish. I'll put the link in the description below as well. But once you purchase some credits or you get started with the free credits that you get, you can go ahead and test that out for free. And as I said, you click on the text, the video on the left hand side, put in the prompt that you get from ChatGPT or whichever tool, and you want to ensure that you set the aspect ratio for 16:9. Ensure that you use the resolution that you can. The only thing is that for this tool, it gives you the maximum resolution right now as the 720p, and you can set it for 5 seconds. Other tools such as Veo, such as Allo AI, depending on the plan that you have, you can get 1080p videos and even higher. So you can try, for example, Veo. You can create stunning images. If you've used Veo 3 before, you can use that as well to generate those small videos that you can use as live wallpaper on your PC. But let's go ahead and click generate right here. Now, while this is generating, guys, it's going to take a little time. Let's head back over to Hello AI to see if that is finished. Now, as you can see, it is finished. Now, I'm going to click on this video right here. And here you can see the video of 6 seconds as generated. How cool is that? Amazing, right? And as I said, this is what I just basically use randomly the AI to generate for me. You can do whatever you want to create your own live wallpapers. Now, this is also working. It's around 17%, but this is another one that I've done. I'm going to go ahead and play it. And you can see how cool that is as well. So this is going to generate. We're going to just wait a bit to see what it's generate, but let's move on to the next thing that you need to do to have that on your PC while this is generating. So I'm going to head over to my channel, guys, and this is my channel, Drew Tutorial, and you just want to head over to Drew Tutorial channel, guys, to my channel here, and you just use a search and type in live wallpaper. You will go ahead and you'll find a ton of videos that I've created on this. And you want to go ahead and watch this one here that says how to set custom live wallpaper in Windows 11. This one is going to show you how you can use the live wallpaper application where you can get that from your Microsoft Store. You install it on your computer and you just basically click the plus on the upper right hand side to add your own video that you will download directly. So for example, this video, I would want it. I can easily go ahead and click download. As you can see, download, I can download that video and I can use that within the app. So to find the app, you want to click your Microsoft Store by clicking the Windows key, go to Microsoft Store. And within the Microsoft Store, guys, you simply want to go ahead and type in Lively Wallpaper, right? You can see it right here. You click in that and you'll be able to click get, right, or install. As you can see, for me it says open because I have it on my PC. And once it opens, let me go ahead and show you the image right here. As you can see, it's going to open, it's going to look just like this. And here at the top you will see it says add, right? So you will need to click on the plus right here at the top, and that's going to allow you to open up your file explorer, find the video that you have generated and downloaded, and you will set that as your live wallpaper. Once you click on it and it loads, it will take over and become your live wallpaper on your PC. And it's really as pretty, is really as easy as that. Let's look at this video, guys. Let's look at this picture, guys, and you can see an example right here what it's going to look like. These are images, by the way, but you get the general idea what it will look like once you set your video as your live wallpaper. Let's head back over to my browser and see how what the other video looks in the Remaker AI. It's almost done, so let's have a wait for a moment. And so let's just wait for a moment until this one generates so that we can really have a look and see how the video actually turns out. And here you can see, guys, my video is finished. So I'm going to go ahead and maximize this and play it so that you can see. Look at that. Oh, cool it is. Really nice video. So can you imagine, you just think of whatever it is that you want to generate and you use the power of AI to generate it. And then you use Lively Wallpaper to set that on your PC. It feels a bit more special, right? I know it does, because you don't have to go to one of those website that has a ton of different live wallpaper videos that you can download, but instead you can generate what you want, what you imagine, then use the power of AI to use text to video, get that video, download it, and set it as your wallpaper. That's something special. Now, I really hope you are inspired by this video. And if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And of course, if you know of other ways that you can create this, feel free to share it within the description so that others within this community can learn about it as well. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next video.